What is up, rad people? We are back with the Z4, and today we are finally going to take it out and take it for a drive. So, if you saw us put a new motor in this and get it all put back together, it is a 2007 Z4 Coupe 3.0 SI. It's got the N52 in it, and this is our first time really driving it outside of town. So we're down in some local forest with some somewhat good roads for what we have around here in Indiana, and we're going to take it for a spin. So details on the car, it is totally stock. Totally stock Z4 3.0. It's got stock N52, stock exhaust. Only thing done to it is the common little intake tube, intake tube mod, where you pull the little baffle out of it. So it's a stock automatic. We put the auto back in it. It's not terrible. We'll see how it is. Hopefully we get some good audio and some driving clips. But without further ado, follow along. So this will be fun. We thought about bringing both coupes out, but we're going to experience the Z4 one day together.
Yeah, haven't ridden it. Sounds fun.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Still for sale?
Nope, nobody lives there now.
so it's a day later. We finished our drive on the Z4. We'll wrap up our thoughts. It's fun. It's good. It's a good car to drive. The automatic, as you expect, sucks some fun out of spirited driving, and didn't notice it before, but driving around town. But once you're actually kind of driving it a little bit harder, you can tell the electric power steering has a little bit less feel, and which is good in a sense because we have decided previously that we're going to sell it, get rid of it, make some more room in the driveway because we want to take this thing to the track and get this thing prepped. So that's what we're going to do. If you want a 2007 Z4 Coupe 3.0, hit me up. It'll be for sale. And that's it. And in the meantime, we also made more space in the driveway. I'll cut to some footage now of me prepping my wagon and doing a little fixes on the wagon. And you can see what happened next. What's up, rad people? Today is, well, maybe a sad day. This is my 2002 330 wagon. So you may have seen, if not, go watch it. Eric and I bought a 330 donor for my 325 wagon and swapped the drivetrain over, got the 330 brakes. It's a factory sport package car with Shadowline trim, factory 5-speed. It's sick. It's the daily beater. It hauls the bikes, it hauls the dogs. It's awesome. Today was supposed to be, what we're going to do first is put the sunroof shade in. One of the biggest problems I've had with this car, didn't have a sunroof shade. So we're doing that. Simple fix. However, someone just hit me up, wants to buy the car, and everything's got its price. So he's coming to look at it. We're cleaning it up, vacuuming it up. We're going to put sunroof shade in anyway, and we'll see. It might be the last day with the awesome wagon that we love so much, but it is what it is. Follow along as we put our little sunroof shade in here, and maybe our goodbye video to the wagon. And you'll see now that it's no longer in the driveway. It's gone. It's not on the street. It's not anywhere. The guy that came to look at it fell in love with it right away. It was tough to see it go, but it's gone. So no more swap 330 swapped wagon. We're gonna miss it as the daily driver and the dog hauler, but again, it's making room for the M3 and putting some more work in the 135. So if you want to see some more details on those, keep following along and keep it rad.